Don't die, Leslie! Don't die!
It's okay, boys. I'm only gonna be here for a very short little time, and there's one thing I need to tell you, boys. Look out for the big bag doll.
She's dying!
Cardboard. I can use this for my house. There's another one. It's good. Got it! Hey, little cat, come on out before I turn your house inside out. Promise you won't hurt me? I promise. Pinky swear? Pinky swear. Okay. Come on out. Wait. What? I got a scream. Can I put a Band-Aid on? Sure. Okay. Wait one sec. Just wait 1 sec. Hurry up! Okay, sorry. Look, a squirrel! Squirrel! Let me in! Come on, little cat, come on out. Yeah, or I'll turn your house inside out. If we come out, will you not hurt our house? I promise. Don't go out. You said that last time. Oh. Come on. Just let me in. What? Stop. I think I got another scrape. I need to put a Band-Aid on. I'm not fooling for that again, Pop. I'm a slow runner. Fine, I'll give you 10 seconds. Hey, you're not slow! Hey, how's it going? Just cooking up some bacon. All right. See you later.